There we go, I'm happy now. I was happy before, but I'm getting stuff out. But look at that, can you see it properly? Good afternoon, good morning even. Here today in Lymm on a Houlihan's pick. So team's been here for a bit, got a little bit out. Paul's had loads of mooring pins apparently, whilst Dragon Magnets is busy. There you go, waving. Right, yeah, it's raining. Off and on. Bates Motel are down at the bridge down there, or Suzanne and Tracy are anyway. Steve, Neil, Alan's down there. There's Houlihan and Tim Bates chatting. That's still getting stuff out. Right, let's have a look what's here. Anyway, don't forget the magnet we're donating to the Outcast charity do. Information up here, Dan. Yeah. About that, 1600 Evo, isn't it? Yeah. By the time this comes out, hopefully this will come out on the 8th of August after my holidays, when I'm doing a bit of metal detecting. So watch out for them metal detecting videos as well. On holiday on beach, so let's get fishing. There you go, first two dips. Probably with rain, gets on the lens. Look at that, that's the first dip. A big bar there. Big solid bar. Bent into two it was. Look at that for the second dip. Just edge dip that as well. Edge dip that as well. Look at that. Have it. Might be a good spot this. All little. Right next to Welshie. Here we go. Apparently this was the town square Lymm in the old days before they cut through with the canal. Passerby told Alistair. Just gonna call him Alex then. Who's Alex? Some dude, probably. I've just asked to join Lymm Litter Network. I'm going to post something on there, like I did on the other page from Canal River Trust things the other week. A call for help, there we go. I've just had a lovely young lady stop by and tell us about it. Enjoying Paul Magnetman's company. Right, hang on, what we got? Okay. I like this place, I only edge dipped a little bit. Look at that big cast iron pipe. And a wheelbarrow. You need to do your videos, man. Scaffolding clamp, which was his as well. Gate somewhere or other. Alistair said it's a gate somewhere or other. Got a bolt there and it's got like the flat bit there. There's an edge as well.
Go on, Neil, what have you got, mate?
Bar. And the first mooring peg.
Hey?
Neil's getting stuff as well. Everyone's getting stuff, it's cool here. There we go. Look at that old shovel. Look how that's made. Metal handle as well.
Another form of mooring peg.
Look at that. Wow. I like that. Dead old here. It's not been touched. drug paraphernalia. Whip it can with one in. More drugs, I mean vapes. One's Alistair's and one's mine. And I've still got a plug. Ow. It's not like I didn't get up, man. Right. Been fishing away. There's a right line of rocks in the middle. So I keep losing loads of stuff and having to re-grab it again. Little screwdriver. Little. Looks like an old. Right. I want to say screwdriver, but I don't. Also, I don't know. Pretty sure it is a screwdriver, but the old ones, you know, the old-fashioned tool. That bit's throwing me off. I don't know. Anyway, right, hang on. On a bit of metal. Big heavy flat bar. Some kind of leather. Now it's dried off a bit more. Some kind of leather. You know what I mean? Weird, isn't it? There's a bolt there. Yeah? Cool. So that's in the metal bars. Twisted one. Bring you back, it's raining now. Right, there we go, I'm happy now. I was happy before, but I'm getting stuff out, but look at that, can you see it properly? I don't know if it's missing half its components or whatever, but a little pocket knife thingy bob. Let's get it off. Let's get it off. Let's nearly cut my fingers off. Up. Look at that. There's a knife. Gonna have like a little hook thing on it. At the end of there you can see like the little hole where you can put a key ring through or something. Look at that. I'm happy now.
Oh well. A baby knife. Ah, baby knife.
I like my knives. Shouldn't really say I like my knives. But I like my knives. I don't care.
He does.
Report if you want. Look at that. I'm happy. I can't tell if it's like missing half its stuff or whatever. Or if it's like off a penknife or something. Oh no, it's got a smooth back. Ish. Oh, it's like that.
Yeah, I think it might be just like a little pen, just an old.
Little concealable one. Kids. Okay now. Oh yeah. Fuck it.
Enjoy the chocolate.
Yeah.
The electric cooker off one of Barney's back looking things, big heavy thing.
What in? Okay. Two street lights as well.
Rob engagement rings.
A massive chunk. It's got like some weird. I don't know if it's rolled. Does this make any sense now? Rolled metal, rolled cast iron. I don't know. It's got like a little thing on it there. Hopefully you can see on this camera. The lens is well filtered. Like a little roll on it, if you know what I mean. But it's chunky. It's just Got a little line there. There you go. Another little line there. See it? Weird. It's not a sash window weight because it's not got a thing on the end. It's. It might. I don't know. Anyway, small and heavy. Anyway. Oh, waiting. Peeing down now, so going. So it's only early as well. Oh, I'm going to pack up and not record anymore anyway. If we do any more fishing, I'll if I get anything good, I'll show you. Anything? No, anything else actually. I had a little break and had something to eat. Cheers for watching. Remember, this hopefully comes out on the 8th of August. Collabs on the 20th. And Brown Magnet we're giving to the Outcast. And I'm sure there was something else, I'm not sure now. Yeah, if I remember it, I'll put it on the end. Smell you later.